Okay, welcome back to AccountingShit.com. Today we're looking at the income statement. Hey, you're going to make some money on this. Now, the income statement can tell you a lot about your business, and let's take a look how. All right, see how much you made. How much did you make this month? What's your net profit? Now, what's in it, and what information do we get off of it? We get the income minus the revenue. The income generated from the revenue, and we see what the net profit is. Now, this is revenue minus expense. So here's the thing. If you brought in $10,000 and your expenses were $6,000, let's say that was rent and utilities and marketing and so on and so forth. With $6,000, you'd have $4,000 left, obviously over what you covered in expense. So you have to cover your expenses. If you're not covering your expenses, you're going at a net loss, not a net profit, and that's detrimental to your business. That is terrible. You need to start marketing more, or cutting expenses, or doing something. You need to do something. If you're at a net loss, that means you don't even have a business. You're basically working for free. So let's take a look what I mean by that. Now, this example is a net profit, but there's revenue up here. There's fees earned. Remember, we did some consulting, so we got $47,000 out of that consulting. We have our expense. We got rent, $4,000. Remember, every month it's $4,000 for us to rent. Supplies, we bought some supplies and we did some equipment. Computers and desk and shit like that. So the total expense was $16,500. The total revenue, income that we brought in to the business this month is $47,000. So we get $30,500 in profit. And that could be used to pay employees. You could buy more equipment. You can take a draw of $30,000. Now remember, your business made $30,000 this month. Some people make $30,000 in a year, so you're doing pretty good. Now, this $30,500 could be a loss or a negative. And like I said, if you're making negative $30,000, you're doing something. Things need to change. Because you are taking a net loss, you're working for free. Now, some businesses are taking a net loss of $30,000. Maybe they just started. Maybe the economy is not so good. They're not making so many sales. So this can really fluctuate at times. In a down economy and an up economy, it can fluctuate depending on your business. And it happens. I mean, there's businesses that are net loss, and they just keep fighting to try to get to a net profit. So, it is what it is. Now, this isn't for big corporations. This isn't for like the Disney stock we went over. This is kind of more of a small business, maybe a flower shop, a little grocery store, taco restaurant, whatever. They don't have a lot of expenses. They have a lot of revenue. It's not very complicated for them, but this income statement can get really complicated, and a lot of numbers and a lot of things go into it. So just remember that. If you want to get some more information on how income statements work, you can go to marketwatch.com. It's the best, and just type in your favorite company that has a public stock, and the information's free. The income information is also public, so there is an income statement there. So take a look at it, read through it, go to some small businesses and look at theirs also. So this is the income statement, and next we're probably going to be looking at how T accounts work, and that'll be really fun. So thanks for watching, and see you guys later.